Hello, and welcome to the Winlock Generation 2 Hot Knife Assembly and Application Tutorial. Before we start, we recommend at least a 12 gauge commercial grade extension cord. First, you're going to want to take your G2 hot knife groove sled, your provided Allen wrench, and your single gang size hot knife blade. We're going to start by tightening down the blade holders to keep them still, leaving enough wiggle room to insert the blades. Now, we insert our hot knife blade and tighten it down to ensure it's secure. Make sure that the length of the blade matches the depth of your single gang ICF electrical box. Now, we are going to attach the G2 hot knife groove sled to our G2 hot knife, removing the 4 screws located on the top of the knife, then screwing them back in with the groove sled attached. Now your G2 hot knife is put together and ready for use. For installation, take your INEXO ICF electrical box and trace the desired area of foam with a marker. Adjust your temperature gauge as needed using this dial. Softly press the hot knife against the outlines of the foam, making sure it is flush against the wall. Be careful not to press too hard as it could bend your hot knife blades. Simply let the foam melt as you cut out your desired area. Now simply push your electrical box flat into the wall. Push the easy lock teeth on the inside of the box until you hear a click. Now your electrical box is installed and ready to go. If you wish to cut a double gang size hole but only have a single gang blade, simply outline the double gang box the same as before and create the hole with 2 cuts instead of 1. After that, push the double gang box in and you're ready to go.